Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the second function. This function is used to return the second component of a time value. The function takes a single argument, which is the time or serial number from which you want to extract the seconds. The second function is useful for time calculations and analysis in Excel, especially when you need to break down a time into its component parts or perform calculations based on the seconds part of a time value. So as you can see, the second function is part of the date and time group of Excel function and will return the second component of a time value. The syntax is pretty simple. You just need to type in second, open parentheses, and then the serial number, where the serial number is the Excel serial date number from which to extract the second. So for example, inside this data we have the shipping date, and as you can see right here we have the day, month, year, and then we have hour, minute, seconds. So if I will perform the second function on this cell, it should return 55. So we can try it out. If I say equals second, open parentheses, then I mark the cell I want to get the second part from. I close the parentheses again and I hit enter. As you can see, I get 55. And now I can drag this formula down. And for the second row ID, as you can see, the second part of this cell is 34, and the function will return 34. Right now we have a kind of a not the best time format, because we only can see hour and minutes but not the seconds. But we can adapt the time format. You just have to click on the number format, and then you go to more number formats. And here you have the time formats. So yeah, you can choose a time format that you prefer. But if you would choose the first one, you would get rid of the day, month, and year part. So we want to type in a special time format. And the time or the custom time format really depends on what system you're working and in which country you are. So yeah, this can be different from your view. In my case, TT, T stands for day, M stands for month, and J for year, and HH stands for hour, MM for minute, so the small mm, and SS for seconds. So if I want to type in a custom type, we can drag this to the side so we can see our format that we want to get. We want to start by the day. So we type in TT in my case, then followed by MM for the month, and then the year. Then we can do space or whatever you want to have. And then we want to have the hour, minutes, and seconds. Or you can, for example, do it like this. And here up there you can see the sample. If you like this way, you can just press enter, or you can, for example, also do the year format like this. As you can see in the sample, the year format will change accordingly to the letters you typed in here. And I think this format's pretty cool. I like it, so I will just press OK. Now the new format will adapt to the cell, and if I want to copy the format, you can just go to this pencil right here and copy the format down if you mark the cells. And as you can see, it worked out. And now we can see that the second function worked out well. Right here we get 34, 34, 22, and 22, and so on. And this is all you have to know about the second function. You can use the second part of time, for example, to get the duration for a specific process inside your company. If you have a start and an end date, start and the end time, then you can just subtract the start time from the end time to get the duration. And if you want to have this in seconds, you can just use the second function. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.